mucus makes the secretions thick, slows the cleaning cilia, and slows down the passage of oxygen into the bloodstream. Ignoring nasal allergies increases the chance that you will develop asthma. It also makes asthma worse if you already have it. If the nose is blocked for some reason, your brain will still ask for an equal amount of oxygen, and you will start breathing through the mouth. When the mouth is open, the lower jaw is likely to fall backward and your tongue and soft tissues sink down, narrowing the air passage. Due to the narrowed airway, the soft tissues will start to vibrate, and if incoming air is insufficient, you will breathe harder, thus causing a turbulent airflow resulting in loud snoring vibration. Breathe the right way.